Hey there, adventurers! Today's book is called Samsoon and Harvest, written and illustrated by Soon-Ju Kim. Samsoon Adventures is dedicated to all souls overcoming obstacles. You are loved, valuable, and precious. No more, no less. Just be the harvest day. Korean proverb. One early afternoon, Samsoon's dear friend Rihanna called out, "Samsoon, are you awake?" Samsoon, hearing Rihanna's greeting, rose from her sweet nap and got ready to greet her dear friend. "Grand rising, Samsoon. Let's try some mangoes today," Rihanna exclaimed with joy. "Yes, let's," Samsoon responded. Rihanna and Samsoon headed towards Grandma's house, dreaming of delicious mangoes. Grandma and her beautiful mango tree greeted Rihanna and Samsoon. Grandma pointed to the blossoming mango tree. "Look! The mangoes are ready for you," Grandma announced. "One mango for Rihanna, one mango for Samsoon." Rihanna and Samsoon enjoyed the delicious mangoes in Grandma's garden under the radiant sun. "Don't forget to save the husks," Grandma advised. "We shall keep the husks and grow an ever-blossoming mango tree for you," Grandma shared cheerfully. "Come back tomorrow," Grandma smiled. "We will be ready to say hello to our seeds." That evening, Samsoon journaled about her adventure with Rihanna, the yummy mangoes, and Grandma's blossoming mango tree. The next day, Rihanna arrived at Samsoon's house with a huge smile. Samsoon excitedly asked, "Are you ready to greet our mango seeds?" Rihanna and Samsoon were more than ready. They skipped in unison to Grandma's garden. Once they arrived, Grandma pointed to the red basket. "The mango seeds are ready for you." Now that the mango husks are perfectly dry, we pull them apart, wrap the seeds in a wet cloth, and wait a few more weeks to provide them a home. After Grandma's announcement, both Rihanna and Samsoon looked at each other in wonder. "Oh, what a long journey to grow mangoes," Samsoon sighed. Samsoon had a lot on her mind as she walked back home. That evening, Grandma prepared their favorite side dishes, banchan, as a treat for Samsoon's planting journey. After dinner, Samsoon spent her evening reading about mango trees while enjoying Grandma's chewy rice cakes. As the days passed, Rihanna and Samsoon patiently waited for the greeting day. Several weeks later, Rihanna greeted Samsoon with a huge smile. "Samsoon, are you ready to greet our seeds?" "Here," said Grandma, "a gift for your planting journey." Samsoon was more than ready. Samsoon and Rihanna stretched their arms and wiggled their legs, ready for their next planting adventure. Once Samsoon and Rihanna arrived at Grandma's garden, Grandma announced, "Come, look!" They are ready for a new home. That afternoon, Samsoon and Rihanna carefully introduced the seeds to their new cozy homes. And every day after the planting ceremony, sunshine or rain, Samsoon and Rihanna promised each other to take care of the mango plants. After days of pure dedication and gratitude in their planting journey, Rihanna and Samsoon saw tremendous growth. "Amazing work, Rihanna and Samsoon," Grandma explained in awe. "We now celebrate our work done." The end. Samsoon Adventures. Special dedication to Grandma, who taught me the concept of family, community, and real love. May you eternally be blessed and surrounded with beauty. Thank you.